In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping rates on Square. We'll start right inside your Square dashboard. Sign in, then head to Settings, open Account in Settings, and look for Fulfillment. Depending on your view, this section may be labeled Shipping or Delivery, but it's the same place where all your shipping tools live. This is where you'll control how much customers pay for shipping and when those fees apply. Next, create a shipping profile. A profile is a set of rules that Square uses to calculate shipping for either an entire order or for specific items. Click Add New Profile and choose whether you want the rules to apply to the whole order or to an item. Choose Order if one set of shipping rules should cover everything in the cart. Choose Item if certain products need their own rates, like oversized or fragile goods. Give the profile a clear name that makes sense to you. Customers won't see it, but it will help you stay organized. Then select the countries or regions you'll ship to. If you only ship domestically, pick your home country. If you ship internationally, add those locations here so Square knows where the profile applies. Save your changes. With the profile created, it's time to add shipping rates. Click Add Rate inside the profile. You'll choose from a few types. A flat rate is a single fixed fee per order, great when your costs are predictable. Free shipping is a powerful promotion. You can make it unconditional or unlock it when the customer reaches a minimum order total. If your costs vary, choose a rate based on order total, weight, or number of items. For example, heavier orders might cost more to ship, or large carts could unlock lower rates. Enter the details carefully: fees, minimums, weight ranges, and any thresholds. Be consistent with units and make sure your product weights are filled in if you're using weight-based rules. When everything looks right, save the rate. If you chose an item profile type, make sure to assign it to the correct products in your catalog. This tells Square exactly which items should use these rules. Think of this as tagging the products that require special handling or unique shipping costs. That's it. You've set up your shipping settings, created a targeted profile, added the right rates, and, when needed, assigned them to specific items. Remember, you can always return to these settings to fine-tune your fees as your business, carriers, or costs change.